Hi guys, once again I want to show you guys how I trade using option premium flow. So the sell-off continue on the 26th of October. So this is the chart from QQQ. So actually you can see from the initial stage whereby once the market open, there's a lot, I think probably more than 10 millions of put option call and causing the market to come down. And most importantly, the price action actually convincingly actually broke below the channel. So I think right after that is actually retest on this channel, and we have a signal call here because of people are closing off their call options, and actually goes all the way down. So from here actually once the candles become red, we are actually looking at 22.55. So it's around these candles, which is 22.25. Probably we enter this trade around $1.80 to $2, and we ride all the way up to these red candles, which is actually around this area, which is 0.20, which is around here, 0.20, and probably we will close around maybe around 470 to 480. So it's more than 2x. All right, cool.